dyan. Ayan, today is Domingo! It's morning in 7:26 in the morning. So, napag-isipan namin lumabas guys para mag-breakfast. So, ito na naman. Mag-breakfast na naman tayo. And as you can see, parang medyo nakaayos-ayos tayo today. Kasi nga malamig. So, diba? Kami lang ay kakain today. Lumabas para naman makalanghap ng fresh air. Although it's so cold. But that's fine. Diba? Yeah, it's negative 13. So, that's fine. So, ayan. Magbe-breakfast lang kami at saka uuwi din agad. So, see you! Ayan, hintay muna kasi may train. Gosh, yung I don't know kung ilang minutes ito. 100 minutes it takes. 10? Guys, we're here! Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yes, don't forget your wallet. Guys, we're here. Yeah, I'm ready.
Take a picture lasts longer.
Picture of?
Staring at the stone.
Picture of.
One eternity later.
Guys, tapos na kami nag-breakfast.
You didn't like it, huh?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Really? You didn't like the breakfast? Huh.
And di na ako nag-video kasi nahiya ako. Ang dami kasing tao. Alam nyo naman, yung vlogger na ito ay hindi pa makapalang mukha. Wait lang. Aray ko. Kaya, ayun. Medyo nahiya ako at saka di ko rin type yung food eh. Di ko alam at yun ang kinain ko. Kaya okay lang. Okay lang at least. 'Di ba? Nakapag-breakfast kami and I think uuwi na kami kasi parang tinatawag na ako ng kalikasan. Naka 2 cups of coffee ako. Ito talaga ang problema ko kapag nakakapag-coffee ako. Alam nyo na, kapag after coffee ko, alam nyo na. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, huwag na tayong mag-ano dito. Kasi, anong tawag nito? Parang tinatawag na talaga ako. Aray ko, sinong nakarelate? Meron akong kaibigan dyan na nahirapan. Aray ko. Oo, meron akong kaibigan dyan na nahirapan siya. Hindi siya tinatawag na kalikasan. Shout out, Gopa. Sorry, na-mention. Aray ko. So, ayun na nga. Oops! I forgot.
You did it again.
Oops! I did it again. And then and it's not the game. Oh, baby, baby. Oops! I think that aray ko. Ang sarap na panahon. Diba? Muli ni may oy. Gosh, yung kayo nga. Imbes ganahan pa tana ko maglaag-laag kay nice kayo ang adlaw sa sunrise ba. Pero lagot kayo ning manawag man dayon oy. Manawag dayon siya. Lagot. Imbes kay nice kayo ang sun. Oh, diba? Makagwapa o labi nagmaigo ta. Sana all maigo. Aray ko, pick and save. So wala na guys, yun lang talaga, 'di ba? Ang samaw-samaw talaga. Ay nako, parang pinipigilan ko pa talaga, parang tinatawag ako pero ayoko. Pero no choice, naka 2 cups of coffee ako, 'di ba? So, yan talaga. Igalaw-galaw na lang natin.
Deep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're working.
Exactly. So, basta. Lagot. Gitawag na gid ko. Now.
That one actually be the soft touch, I think. As much as I'm not a big fan of it, once in a while, it needs to be. But
Yes. Guys, thank you. Hindi ko alam kung ipopost ko ba ito or hindi kasi walang something special sa aking video na ito. O diba, walang special. Ako lang ang special. Shoutout ko lang pala ang aking mga kaibigan dyan, Ma'am Aryan, Commander Topes, Ma'am Nick, Guapa, thank you so much. Sino pa ba? Oops! Nalubot, almost. Yan. Yan talaga, ano talaga, uy, matakot ako mag-drive, lalo na pag dito sa highway. Kasi may mga driver talaga na ano, bigla siyang nag-interrupt. Ayaw na gano'n. I mean, what if, di ba? Ay, naku, nakakatakot mag-drive. Pero, okay lang naman. Dapat alert tayo, di ba? Alive and alert. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Ayan, medyo nawawala na yung mga tawag na kalikasan. Pero I'm pretty sure, pagdadating ko doon, yun na yun. Aray ko. Alam niyo bang yung video ko na ito ay walang kwenta? Ewan ko ga. When are we going to go to TJ Maxx?
we need to go shopping for something that is.
I don't know what I'm gonna get in the TJ Maxx. I don't know actually.
Sometime this week.
No.
TJ Maxx. Shop.
Yes, I love window shops.
Look around.
What if I like something?
Ask her to get it.
Yeah, I know what is the difference between want and need at the end of that. Yeah. But you know what? I really wanted to go to Walmart. Which you don't like. Ay, malapit na talaga kaming dumating. Malapit na talaga. Aba, mag-ano pa pala? Anong tawag nito? Magka-car wash pala. I hope so. Para naman makaligo yung ano mo, yung sasakyan mo. Si Jane Ford. Para naman makaligo si Jane Ford. I think so. Yeah. So si Jane Ford ay maliligo na ako. What? Please try again. How about the wheelers? Maybe you can have it like tomorrow.
No.
You want it now? Okay. So, when are we going?
When are we going?
For the car wash. Where? I asked.
Big
where?
money one. Tidal wave.
Tidal wave. Ito yung pinakamalapit na car wash. Like 1 minute only sa Quincy. Kasi yung bahay namin nandun lang eh. Pero wala eh. Meron naman doon pero ayaw niya. Kasi parang yung pagkahimas-himas sa sasakyan ay parang ano lang, like soft. I mean, hindi masyadong malinis. Kaya doon tayo sa inahaplos-haplos ka talaga. Sana all gahaplos. Yung bang kinukuskus-kuskus talaga, di ba? Di ba pag naliligo tayo, kinukuskus natin yung dumi. Kaya doon kami papunta. At saka yung car wash dito, anong tawag dito? Like machine. Wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Target. Bullseye. DJ Max. I'm alive, alert, oh, in here, in Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave, Tidal Wave. Nagabundok ang ice, guys. So, shout out, Commander. Kung gusto kag ice na upo ni Adirek, pwede ra ka mamungit. Kung gusto kag gahi-gahi na gusto kag humok ni apod. Gusto ni mo kanang kagumkom na apod. Eat all you can. Uy, naigwapo guys. Tatubangan ako. Naigwapo. Nera. Kulot siya buho. Parang si Ma'am Aryan yung hair niya. Pero, mas kulot-kulot ang Idza. Ang Idza haba. Kulot-kulot.
So each one is just this plus whatever.
Pero bata. Ma-child abuse na. I mean, corrupting minor. Mag-corrupting minor talaga bata siya.
About the unlimited? Do you have any touchless ones that do?
We can make it touchless, but the brush is still one brush will still touch your car, but the brushes are not like rough.
Nagsabot pa sila.
Yeah, let me go through this and make a determination. I usually do touchless, but every once in a
You can
while.
ask if there can I have everything interactive.
Alright. I think today I'll just go with the brushes, but
Sure you want this one?
I don't know. Let's take a look. Used to be indecisive.
Eh, kamahal na pa. Ano dali? Mahal kayo ng car wash.
The one right now is the same.
Na ay pinakabarato siya. Pinakamahal ay
This is
44, 49.
Look at the ceramic sea gloss. That's good enough.
Pinakamahal,
You just want
44.
that one time wash?
Yeah, for today.
Imagine.
We see how it works.
Makapalit ako anong daghang ano.
Next.
Sa 44.
It's tricky getting stuff.
Na. Ako nalang mag-car wash siguro kung ako.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Alright. You as well.
Mahal, like, ako nalang magkuhan. Ay,
We're gonna put the mirrors in already.
mag-Ivana style na lang kung mag-car
Can I
wash.
put mirrors in
Minsan,
everything, or
Yes.
put them in? Alright. Put the mirror in.
mirror, flip the mirror. Okay. Diba. Tapos nang naligo si Jane Ford. Wait lang, ang ating salamin. Ibalik natin ang salamin. Sinong maganda? Ayan, tapos na. So, ito final na talaga. Yung tawag ng kalikasan ako, parang nawala. Aray ko. Gosh. So, TJ Maxx. Okay. I remember where we're at. Oh, there's a vehicle.
We'll stop.
Oh, yeah.
They're another lane anyway.
Exactly. Ayan. Ito, totoo na talaga. Kami ay uuwi na. Diba? Easy lang talaga. Pero ang mahal ng kanilang car wash. Pero never pa ako, siguro kasi, never pa ako nakakita na like, ano ba, yung bang, ano tawag dito, yung tao talaga ang magka-car wash. Ganun. Hindi kayo sa Pinas atin ganyan. Pero dito, parang, they make things easy for people. Naka-in-English ko. Nagpa-car wash lang, naka-in-English na yung ko. Gasyong yun. Actually, wala ko kasabot sa akong video karon for today's video, guys. Hindi ko talaga alam ni ganito pala yun. But anyways, thank you so much. And yeah, this is really the final wave. The final wave. Thank you so much, guys, sa lahat ng support. Bye-bye!